Social Science, Grade 6, Block 5, New Questions and Ideas, LP2, The Upanishads by teacher Shikha. Children, we have already learnt about Buddhism. Today in this video, we will learn about the teachings of the Upanishads. Keywords are Atman, the internal spiritual energy of a living being; Brahman, the larger spiritual energy that is the source of everything; spirituality, the idea that there is a greater purpose to life than the idea of oneself. Children, in the later Vedic society, some people introduced the new way of worshipping God, the Upanishads. In the Vedic society, rituals and sacrifices were the main way of worshipping God. The Upanishads suggested that all living beings had an Atma or a soul, which is connected to a larger universal energy called Brahman. Therefore, we need not look for God outside because God dwells within us. Children, please read the story of a Swetaketu in your content book section, the Upanishads, and then think of another way you can explain the idea of Atman and Brahman in the same way Swetaketu's father explained it with the river and the ocean. Children, the main idea of this lesson is that Atman is part of Brahman, which is the whole. For example, a child could represent Atman and the family could represent Brahman. So children, now let's discuss the activity. What type of example comes in your mind? Thinking that something smaller is part of something larger. So children, what models did you create? So children, we made different models to represent something smaller that is a part of something larger. An example could include how a single cloud represents Atman while the whole sky represents Brahman. Another example could be how an individual student represents Atman while the whole school represents Brahman. Same way, children, we can think about more examples like branches of a tree represents Atman while the tree itself represents Brahman. Now the question arises, what do the Upanishads teach us? The Upanishads were written after the Vedas. It teaches us how each living being has a soul or Atman connected to a universal soul or Brahman. The universal soul or Brahman is already within us. Therefore, there is no need to look for God outside because God is already dwelling within us. So basically, children, all living things have Atman. Atman is connected to Brahman. So children, now I have a very important question for you to discuss. How are the Upanishads different from the Vedic religion? So children, in the Vedic religion, the focus is on hymns, rituals and sacrifices. Also, not everyone is treated equally. In the Upanishads, the focus is on the soul and not on rituals. It promotes equal treatment and respect for all. Children, I hope topic is clear to you. Now it's time for some application. Please read your content book thoroughly and try to understand and mark the difficult points. Solve your worksheets, as all the students should be able to identify the teachings of Upanishads, describe the main teachings of Upanishads, and should be able to understand the differences of Vedic religion and Upanishads. Have a great day ahead, children. Thank you. Take care of yourself and your near and dear ones. Bye bye.